This evening for a quick chat. Shaina NC is spokesperson of the BJP, Sundar Raman Sharma is spokesperson of the YSRCP, and Adil Singh Bopara is spokesperson of the Congress Party. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time. This is going to be a very quick chat. Shaina NC, two southern satraps from the opposition not falling into the pressure and the narrative that the BJP is building. Hindu-Muslim ki koshish ho rahi hai. The two southern satraps are saying, we will continue to give Muslims reservation under the OBC category. What is the harm in that? It's constitutionally allowed.
Shreya?
Shaina, if you can hear me, that question. Yeah, good evening. Go ahead, Shaina.
Yes, I can.
Audio gaya aapka?
Okay, good evening.
We'll try and fix it.
I just want to say
Achha, now you can hear me. Go ahead,
that,
please.
for 60 years, for 60 years, the Congress has played nothing but appeasement politics. What have they done for the Muslims and the Dalits of this country? They haven't given them education, security, empowerment. They have only kept them as vote banks. And look at the audacity of the Telangana Chief Minister, whether it's Mr. Revant Reddy or Mr. YSR, who constantly say that, oh, you know, this 50% cap is not the limit. We will continue to give more reservations. I want to say, what did when our constitution was formed, Baba Sahib Ambedkar said that reservation should be based on the premise of the economic strata of the individual and not based on religious backgrounds. The Congress, if at all, is doing just the opposite. They are playing the Tushtikaran ki Rajniti, which they have done repeatedly and continue to do so. So I would want to say that people realize that on the one hand, you have Prime Minister Modi, who empowers you through your livelihood, gives you the opportunity to education, better healthcare, better security, and the 60 crore Labhartis who have benefited from these schemes, whether it's a Jandan Yojana or a Mudra Banking or even a triple talaq, which gives Muslim women the dignity of life. These are the realities of today's politics of performance, where you want to empower lives and not just facilitate people with freebies, subsidies, SOPs, and constantly giving this lollipop that, oh, you know, reservations are at stake because if the BJP comes, it will do this. Please don't spread these kind of rumors. The Prime Minister has clarified on this stand on multiple occasions.